Hello, I'm presenting this Contakas, a serverless contact form processing system built entirely with AWS Lambda. Let me show you how this application leverages Lambda power for scalable, cost-effective form handling. This Contakas is built for multi-tenant, so we don't need to build a separate uh, backend for every client. So this handles one endpoint for our every client's contact us form. Okay, first let's test this in action. I'll go in this form. This is where we have this form, and this sends request to the uh, AWS Lambda. Show you so required field data are required, form ID is required, and CAPTCHA. Since this is going to be a public form, we want that always available. Okay, here is the CloudWatch. See, we have this. We have in the uh, we have there the CAPTCHA. So here's the code of the handler. This is the send contact us form. This is written in Node.js and with TypeScript. First, we have this some uh, initial validations, and then we go to the uh, lookup of form and organization. Procedures. A form can have a multiple procedures. Once all the procedures are successful, we'll send display a form success, just like this.